In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a disabled Google account step by step. Having your Google account disabled can be frustrating, especially if you use it for Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, Photos, or other important services. Losing access can feel stressful, but there are several things you can do to submit an appeal and begin the recovery process. Follow along carefully, and I'll walk you through everything you need to do. To get started, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type support.google.com, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to Google's support website, where you'll find different account help and recovery options. After the page loads, look for the Google Account section and click on it. This area contains tools and resources specifically designed for account-related issues, including sign-in problems, account access, and recovery support. Once you're inside, you'll notice different categories and support topics available on the page. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Post to the Help Community, then click on it. This section allows users to connect with Google's support community and seek guidance from experienced users and product experts. Once you're there, click on Post a Question to begin creating your request. Now you'll be asked to provide details regarding your issue. In the first field, enter your appeal or request title. Make sure your message is clear and direct. Explain that your account has been disabled and that you're requesting a review or reinstatement of the account. In the description section below, provide more detailed information about your situation. Explain any circumstances that may have led to the account being disabled, and include relevant details that could help reviewers better understand your case. Try to be specific and accurate when writing your explanation, because detailed information can make it easier for support teams to understand the issue. After that, look for the category section and select Account Access and Recovery. Choosing the correct category helps direct your request to the most appropriate area for account-related concerns. Once everything has been filled out, click on Next. You may see options such as Account Recovery or Other, depending on what appears on your screen. Select the option that best matches your situation and then continue by clicking. Next step. You may also be asked to select your platform. Choose Android, iPhone, US, or web, depending on the device you usually use to access your account. After selecting the correct platform, click Next Step again. Before submitting your request, make sure the option Get emails when someone responds is checked. This is important because it allows you to receive notifications and updates whenever someone replies to your question or provides additional information. Finally, click on Post to submit your request. Once submitted, all that's left to do is wait for responses or further instructions from Google's support community. Also, keep an eye on your email inbox in case Google requests additional information or identity verification. And that's it. By following these steps, you can begin the process of restoring access to your disabled Google account. Hopefully, this guide helps you get your account back quickly and smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.